Hi, I'm John Heinlein, Chief Marketing Officer with Sonatus. We're here at the CES 2026 Sonatus booth. I'm joined by Jeff Chou, Sonatus CEO and founder, and Phil Hughes, the Sonatus Chief Revenue Officer. We finished another successful show here. It's been incredibly packed throughout the week. Jeff, I wanted to see if you could share your thoughts and reactions to this week.
Well, this CES has always been great for us. Every year we show new innovations, progress as a company. This year we're bigger and bolder than before. I think one of the things that's been interesting for us is we're showing our thought leadership and our industry leadership around how AI and SDV fit together by demonstrating real solutions that solve real problems with actually real customers. And you don't have to take our word for it. We have customers and partners here with Sonatus talking about some of the things that we can offer.
That's right. Just behind us, you can see this incredible 2026 Nissan LEAF, brand new reinvented Nissan LEAF. And next to that car, we have partners from Nissan Technical Centre Europe who are talking about how our technologies are helping them speed their time to production. Just out of view, we have a collaboration with Bosch, and they're showing how Sonatus Collector and Sonatus Updater can help Bosch to deliver feature-on-demand solutions to customers quickly. And we're sitting right on top of the back of a full-size Class 8 semi-truck from Kenworth, and where we're showing how we can use Sonatus technologies to improve preventative maintenance and vehicle uptime. Phil, I wonder, you're talking to the customers all day long. What's been the customer reaction to what we're showing here this week?
I think the thing that has impressed me most is the level of excitement from OEMs and tier ones alike. They really recognize, I think the industry is at an inflection point where the OEMs are more open to partnering and looking to work collaboratively with tier one suppliers as well as software suppliers like ourselves to help them solve their hardest problems.
We're excited here at the show to really feature how AI and SDV work together. Building on the foundational technologies of SDV that we've been working on for years now, we're seeing the ability to deploy AI into vehicles and into the cloud in new ways. Our Sonatus Director platform, AI Director, which allows us to deploy edge AI into vehicles, is featured right in the middle next to our 1970 retrofit Bronco, where we're showing many different applications you can deploy AI into vehicles. So from passenger vehicles and pre-production to big, heavy Class 8 trucks and post-production, the whole spectrum we're showing here at the show. It's been super exciting.
It's been a great show. We're also excited about next year. John, you're going to have to outdo yourself again.
We'll try. Thank you for listening.